Welcome to my world. I have 14 great things to help you save money from the Dollar Tree. Don't let the quarter price raise scare you. Dollar Tree still has really great buys, fuller sizes, larger quantities, and name brands. Let us eat. And I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and we're going to go over all 14 items. And I have photos of each of them so you get a better idea of what they look like, and so you know what to look for when you go shopping at the Dollar Tree. 14. Children's books. Children's books at the Dollar Tree are a great way to go. $1.25. They have durable books, they have name brand books, and they have popular character books. They also have books that help children learn for elementary kids school level. They also have activities for older kids 12 and up. Check them out. One of my favorites, food storage containers. They have a huge selection from storing your food in the refrigerator to the pantry shelves. And one of my favorite name brands is Shore Fresh. 12. Dollar Tree reading glasses. Dollar Tree has a great selection of reading glasses as well as sunglasses and accessories. They have glasses case, they have kits to repair them at home. They also have the chains that you attach to your glasses that you can hang them around your neck when you're not wearing them. Dollar Tree mailing supplies. Cheaper than the post office, trustworthy. My channel uses them to mail out the gift cards as well as the 5 items price pack. I highly recommend these products. Number 10, hair care. Dollar Tree carries a huge selection of hair care products, from coloring to washing your hair to conditioning your hair. They have full family sizes like Pro V, Daily Defense, and Salon Selectives, as well as VO5. Check out their hair care product, and they're not watered down. My family has been buying shampoo from the Dollar Tree for years, and we're saving money by not buying them at your local supermarkets or drugstores. Hair accessories. Check them out for brushes, combs, picks, hair ties, headbands. They carry Goody products and other well-known name brands. 8. Pregnancy tests. When my children were conceived, we used the Dollar Tree pregnancy tests. That's how long they've been with the store. My oldest is now 18 in June. They worked very well. We tried the name brand. It came out negative. Then we went to the Dollar Tree and gave their pregnancy tests a try with both my kids, and they were both positive. They are a great way to save money, especially if you're trying to have a family. Check out Dollar Tree for their pregnancy test. 7. Dollar Tree party supplies. If you have birthday parties coming up, graduation parties, or even a baby shower, check out the Dollar Tree. They have a great selection for a fraction of the cost of regular party retail stores, including Walmart and Party City. 6. Another one of my favorites, their greeting cards. I have not bought a greeting card at my supermarket, Walmart, or the Hallmark store in decades. I go to the Dollar Tree for all my greeting cards, from graduation cards to birthday cards to baby shower cards, anniversary cards, thinking of you, thank you cards. The selection is endless. 5. Are you newly on your own, have your first apartment, or you moved into a dormitory and need basic tools? Check out the Dollar Tree, especially now with Father's Day around the corner. There's all kinds of new and good tools available that are starter tools just to get you going so you have the basics. I have my ladle there, a tape measure there, all good quality tools, although there are some that I wouldn't buy, like their saws, but their hammers and other types of tools and zip ties are a great deal and good quality. Check them out. For dishware, Dollar Tree has a great selection of dishware. My dinner plates are from the Dollar Tree. They're about 5 years old and they wear well. I've only had to replace a few because my husband's accident prone. I have the bowls, the small diner plates, as well as the dinner plates. I have a set for Christmas with the chargers, and then I have a set for Mother's Day and other special days like Easter. We use the red plates with the chargers on Father's Day as well as Valentine's Day and Christmas. They really dress up your table and they're great quality. Also with dishware comes flatware. They have a great selection of utensils. I get my big spoons and teaspoons there, as well as my forks and butter knives. 3. Personal hygiene. Dollar Tree carries a full-size name brand toothpaste. They carry mouthwash, name brand toothbrushes, soap, hand soap, and more. Check out their personal hygiene department. Number 2, candy. They have a great selection of candy, all name brands. Are you going to the drive-ins and you don't want to spend the money there because their prices are too high? Stop at the Dollar Tree, buy the little ticket to bring your own food in, and you're good to go. You can get all kinds of candy at the Dollar Tree for your sweet tooth, for your movie night, or you can pick them up for your kids home for when during the summer months to give them out as rewards. Pack them in their lunches if they go to summer camp or have a part-time job. Check out the candy department. And number 1, drum roll please. Number 1 item you should be buying to save money are their cleaning supplies. They are not watered down. I use them all the time. We've had COVID in my house. I use the Dollar Tree cleaning products to keep the COVID at bay. My kids, when they had to wear a mask when they came out into the main part of the living areas, and they camped out in their rooms. And when they were better and the COVID was gone, I scrubbed the rooms down from top to bottom with the LA Awesome. You'll see the pictures of the cleaning product. And I use their cleaning supplies such as their brooms, their dustpans, their Swiffers, their Swiffer refills, their sponges. The list goes on and on. Don't spend a ton of money on cleaning supplies and go broke. Go to the Dollar Tree, check out what they have. Bring a list with you of what you need. Recently did a video of cleaning my oven, and I use the Dollar Tree product, and I've been using it for years. It's the yellow can. They do have a new brand, but it's still a yellow can. And next time I clean my oven, which will be around October, maybe September, depending on the schedule, we will be using the new one, and we'll also finding out if that one works as well as their older style.